Hi, Amber. I've asked you to do this a couple times, but there were several milestones that didn't have combined PDFs. So please go back in and look at your grades if you're listening to this. Combine the PDFs and then let me know when you have. Thanks. All right, so I'm going to look at your work. I love your design. It's fresh, consistent, very creative. It's easy to see. You got a little, okay, one of the things I told everybody is you want to edit out hyphens and widows. You will not get jobs if you have hyphens and widows, even if your design looks beautiful. So you obviously know what a hyphen is, but this is a widow, one word on a line. And then, I don't know if it's the PDF, but the spacing here looks funky. You might need to re-enter it. Yeah, that doesn't look right. And then you've got all the hyphens. So you want to fix those throughout and then be consistent with the spacing. So when someone calls has all the space above it, but then return a recent call doesn't have any, it looks unfinished. All right, that's all. You know what you need to do. It looks like you were in a hurry. My final suggestion is instead of these boring little bullet points, why don't you show some creativity and make some interesting bullet points. You are a art student after all, so let me see what lives out there. You can make your own teeny tiny icons, like maybe cute old telephones. You could use push pins, that's always a crowd favorite. Little stars are nice, little cute light bulbs. You know, there's so much you could do more than the traditional one that comes with your computer. All right, so have fun, look through it, find something fresh. Let me know if you have any questions.